So Glam dolls, I know I promised you all that I would show you my favorite protein shake to make. It's called the peanut butter punch. It's not something that I made up, but it is something that I've learned that I would like to share with you all. Now, once again, I am no nutritionist. I'm not no fitness guru of any sort. However, I have changed into a much healthier eating lifestyle. And these are a lot of the things that I have to share with you that's going to go in the peanut butter punch. So, first thing first, I'm using my Nutri Ninja. And this is the Auto IQ Nutri Ninja, and it comes with several different components. The hubs, he actually purchased this himself. I think he saw it on an infomercial, so he got it, and I've been using it ever since. Okay, first things first, you gotta open it, right? You're gonna need some ice. You don't need a lot of ice, and like I said, all of this is a matter of preference and portion for you. Okay. So now I'm going to use some almond milk. My preference is the Almond Breeze milk. I like how it tastes, and plus it has, you know, just 80 calories in it. There's another one that has honey in it. That one tastes a tad bit sweeter, but I'm going with the regular vanilla flavored almond milk. And I'm only going to put a little bit of it. Again, I'm eyeballing this for my preference. And right there. So that should be enough. Now, the only reason why I put that amount is, you know, the milk and the ice is going to create the base of the liquid. So that's why it's just a little bit of that. Next thing I'm going to be using is, what are we going to do? Okay. This is my GNC Pro Performance Weight Gainer in Vanilla Ice Cream. I purchased this in the beginning when I first started my BBL journey. And I know it says weight gainer. Don't be afraid of the word weight gainer. All that means is it is infused with a whole lot of protein in it. You can actually ration this out according to your proportions and according to your preference of needs, okay? Honey, this is empty because I've been using this to death. But what you want to do is, if you do have a full one, you're going to, it comes with a scooper, and you use 2 scoops of this right here, 2 scoops. But since I only have less than maybe 2 scoops, or if 2 scoops, I'm just going to pour it in there. So, you see? Mine's gone, child. I'm hitting every bit that I can. I'm getting every bit. This is empty. I gotta get some more. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next up, I'm going to use some baby kale. You can use whatever preference of your choice. You're gonna hear me say that word a lot. Okay. Woo. Handful of kale. Here we go. To me, this is my handful of kale. And I dropped some. A little bit. It looks like it's a lot, but trust me, it's not. Some honey. 1, 2, 3. I do 3 swoops around. Now, if you do use the almond milk that has the honey in it, then you don't need to use the actual honey, because that will make it too sweet. Now for the main attraction, we're going to use a banana. I'm using 1 banana. Choice. I'm going to take a banana. This tastes so good. I break it in half, put it in there. And now, peanut butter. Yes, some peanut butter. I love the smell of peanut butter. So, this size spoon, and I'm going to get 1 good scoop. Like this, 1 good scoop. Put it in there. Put this down. So I have everything in there. My Nutri Ninja. Power. And this is the fun part. Now for the fun part, the taste. so y'all can see it. Yeah. Okay. Just a tiny bit is left. So that was enough for you know, 1 serving. I love that you honestly do not taste the kale. You do taste the banana. You do taste the peanut butter. And the ice gives it this almost icy-esque kind of texture. Like, you know, when you get those snow cones and it has the ice when you drink it, whatever. It has that, and this is good. And that's it. This is my favorite drink to make. I will be sharing more smoothies and stuff like that I come across, recipes that I would like to share with you all. If you yourself know of any recipes that you would like to share with me, do not hesitate to comment down in the description box below. Leave me, you know, your recipes of different smoothies or drinks that you like to make that works best for you. Like I said, this is a journey, not just a destination. I'm transitioning for a healthier eating lifestyle. I invite you along with me. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my peanut butter punch. But I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.